Hi friends, this is Sanch again from Apps Champ. Welcome to my channel, and today's video is about one of the very funny and beautiful application which is called as Cureka Pro. So this is one of the application which I'm using from a long time. It is actually a gaming application. It gives you a lot of fun as well as it gives you chance to earn a lot of money. Okay, so lot of money, that doesn't mean it's lot of money, but of course I think each and everyone play games, but we don't earn anything by playing games, correct? But this application gives you some money which will help you to earn money in the lockdown plus have lots of fun. So I will show you all the different application. uh, I will show you all the different games which is included in this application. You can download this application from this. If you go to Google and if you type Cureka Pro APK, if just click on this curekapro.com, and you will be able to install the application. I will give you this link in the description as well, so that you can download this. And now how this actually works. So you have to just sign in using your registered mobile number which you use for Paytm or anything. You can just register using your mobile number. Once you register, you can just add money and start playing. For now, for the first time, if you are playing, you can just play without the money, because it gives you, for the first time, it gives you free games. Then you can start adding 10 rupees and start playing some practice games which gives you 100% money. So if you are playing, for example, if I show you this game, this is the Rise Up. Okay, over here do you see rupees 5? If you play this, then you for sure get 100% money back, wherein if you are playing using 5 rupees, you get 5 rupees back, because it is free practice for newcomers. They can practice here, they can invest 5 rupees, they will get back 5 rupees, and then you can go for higher amount. For example, if you click on 3 rupees game, then whoever wins between 2 will get 5 rupees. So this is how this application works. The one most important competition which I normally play is rupees 149, wherein if you click here and if you see, the winner one will get 155 rupees. It's just 20 seconds game, so you have to score you have to score at least one or more point, and there are certain games which for sure gives you one or more score. I will show you which games give you more than one score. Okay, so this is one of the game in which for sure you get one score, and you will get your 149 rupees back. In fact, you may get 151 rupees as well if you're scoring high. So in this game, each and everyone wins whatever they have invested back. So this is fun. You get to play a lot of games, plus you may get some money as well, wherein I have already I invested 500, I got around 600 rupees back. So it's a kind of 100 rupees profit with lot of fun, right? So you can add money. Even one more thing which I like is, if you're adding money, for example, if you click on wallet here, for now I just have 8 rupees because I have already withdrawn everything. So if you click on this money you add to play deposit wallet, click on add more. Once you click here, over here you can add the money whichever how much money you want to add. It depends from Paytm. So here are some special offers which I normally prefer. If you're adding using your UPI, you're adding 29 rupees, it gives you 30. If you add 59, it gives you 61. I normally add 505 because it gives me 510, 515 rupees, and even I added 805, it gave me 820 rupees. So it's just you're adding money every day, it is giving you 15 to 20 rupees profit by doing nothing, just by adding it, right? And once you, even if you're withdrawing it to your Google Pay, even sometimes you earn some scratch cards. So which is just by doing nothing, you earn this. And then you play at least 5 games of 149, withdraw that money back to your back using your UPI. So this is how normally I play. You can use UPI daily once. As a newcomer, you can just invest 29 rupees, and in fact, whenever you sign up, you get an option to invest 10 rupees and you get 20. You invest 15, you get 20. These are the offers for the first time users. So you just need to go to that link, sign up to that, and then even there is one more thing which I would like to show is earn. When you click on the earn here, if you're sharing this with your friends, and if they just sign up using your link and code, you will get 5 rupees per friend. I have already got 15 rupees for my 3 friends. So this is how you can even share this application with all your friends. If you see this, your referral code, this is the referral code. You just need to give it to your friends, they need to enter it, and you will get 5 rupees. That's it. Okay, so this is one. Other than this, in games you have lot of different games. So in my upcoming videos I will be posting how to play each game, so that you can have an understanding about the game, how you can play it, what are the rules, so that you don't need to think much while you first play it. Okay, so I will post each and every video for each and every game. And there is quiz option as well. If you click on quiz, you can play daily quizzes, which again gives you full money as well. But if you want to, normally I prefer 100% winners. For example, okay, for example, there are some quizzes in which they write 100% winners. So whoever plays, everyone will win. That is normally which I prefer. Suppose, just for a tip, I would like to say, if you invest this question, everybody wins, simple question inside. If you click here and if you start playing, normally there are nobody who plays it at night. Okay, so if you click on this, if you play using 9 rupees, then the first winner will always win 11 rupees. Suppose if there is no one playing and only you are the one, you will for sure win 11 rupees, but your answer should be correct. And normally it is very simple questions. So think when you play, think if it is a good quiz. For example, class 4 maths, you can play that. Eat or drink, whether you can eat this product, whether you can drink this product, you can actually think and play, because it just gives you 10 seconds. Don't go for tough questions, don't go for questions like tough mathematics, Hindi, because it may give you tough questions and you may lose your money. So don't go for that, go for simple category questions. And when you play, just click on that. For example, if I played some games, click on games, click on the recent, you will see what money, because I played here, entry fee was just 1 rupees, which was a practice game. As a newcomer, you get all this, actually you get all this kind of games, which is just free games. Or investing 1 rupees, you get 2 rupees. So these are such good games for newcomers. And then when you are pro in doing it, you can actually invest 20 rupees, 10 rupees, 5 rupees, and earn double or 3 to 4 rupees more just in 30 seconds. If you are actually pro, then only play, otherwise play which gives you 100% money back. So these are some good, because I did not win anything here. If you see, better luck next time. So I will be posting much more videos on different games, how you can actually win it. And how you can withdraw money is, when you click on wallet, just click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, you will get option, do you want to use Paytm, do you want to use UPI, do you want to use Google Pay. Just click on that and your money will be withdrawn without any withdrawal charges. So it just has some kind of withdrawal limit, that is 3 withdraw per day. Minimum amount should be, for newcomers it is 1 or 2 rupees, after that it is 10 rupees. So this is how you can withdraw. And it is really a nice game, because if you are good in playing video game, if you are good in playing mobile games, it actually gives you good amount of money, especially in this lockdown when you have nothing to do. In your spare time, you can play these games and enjoy. And please look forward for my new videos, in which I will be playing games and showing you how you can play it. Thank you so much for all your time, and please subscribe, like and share, and let me know in case if you have any other queries, do comment. Thank you and bye bye.